I do more examples of this after I say the next identity, which is the identity of the sum or difference of the cubes of two cubes. This goes like that: x cubed minus y cubed equals to, let me first say the plus, x cubed plus y cubed equals to x plus y times x squared plus y squared minus xy. And the difference version of it is like that: x minus y, and this is becomes plus. So let's do some examples. Factor x cubed plus 8. So this is x cubed and this is 2 cubed. X cubed plus 2 cubed. So here y is 2 and we got the plus version. So that would be equal to x plus 2 times x squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times x, 2x, which is x plus 2 times x squared plus 4 minus 2x. And you know, here we could not factor this thing. Why? Because it is x squared plus 4, and write this 4 as 1 plus 3 minus 2x, and this 3 is x minus 1 squared plus 3. Now this thing which is equal to that is always greater than 3. This is always positive because every number, if you square every number, whether it is positive or negative, that would be positive. So it is greater than 0 and this is plus 3, so the whole thing is greater than 3. and you know, if you factor this, you should write it as the product of two polynomial or monomials in which the degree of x be 1. Okay, some coefficient maybe. So, and that means that for some x it is equal to 0. You know, for some x that makes it the first parenthesis 0, or for some x which makes the next parenthesis 0. So it doesn't have the chance to be 0, to become 0, because it is always greater than 3. So we could not factor this. Okay. Let us do another example. This is x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6. Factor this. You know, here we should write it as x cubed to the x cubed squared minus y cubed squared. That would be 6. Or we should write it as x squared cubed minus y squared cubed. Now that doesn't change the final thing. So let's go by that. According to the difference of squares identity, I talked about that before. This is x cubed minus y cubed times x cubed plus y cubed. But if we or you want to factor this thing too, that would be, this is x minus 1 times x squared plus y squared plus xy. This is the first parenthesis, and the next parenthesis would be x plus y times x squared plus y squared, this time minus xy. Let's do another example. X cubed minus 3a x squared plus 3ax minus a cubed plus y cubed. Now factor this. In order to do that, this is in the form of the minus version of that. Oh, sorry, no. It is in the form of the minus version of the perfect cube identity, which is x minus a cubed plus y cubed. And this is in the form of that. This is plus, and this is, instead of x we got x minus a, okay? That would be x minus a plus y times x minus a squared plus y squared minus y times x minus a. And in order to factor this, if it was possible, you should first get rid of this parentheses and write it as a polynomial. That would be x squared plus a squared minus 2ax plus y squared minus xy or yx plus ay. No, I don't have a good feeling about that, so let's do another example. Okay, I think that's enough here, so see you in the next video.